Welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable read receipts on WhatsApp Web using your PC. This new update makes it super easy to keep track of when your messages have been seen. Let's dive right in. First, open WhatsApp Web on your computer. Head to web.whatsapp.com and log in using the QR code from your phone. Once you're in, look at the left side menu. You should see a few icons there. Now, here comes the important part. Click on the gear icon. This will take you to the settings menu, where you can adjust various options for your WhatsApp web experience. In the settings menu, you'll see a list of options. Click on Privacy to access your privacy settings. This is where you can control who sees your information and when messages are marked as read. Finally, you'll find the Read Receipts option. To allow read receipts, simply check the box next to it. When read receipts are enabled, others will see those blue ticks when you've read their messages, and you'll also see when they've read yours. And that's it. You've successfully enabled read receipts on WhatsApp Web. Now you can keep track of when your messages are read and know that your contacts can see when you've read theirs. Keep in mind that if you disable read receipts, you also won't be able to see when others have read your messages. It's an all-or-nothing feature, so consider whether it works for you. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more WhatsApp tips and tricks. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions, and I'll do my best to answer them. Thanks for watching.